1.35, scatter plots and lines of fit. Make sure to have your note sheet with you as you fill out the video, as you watch the video. Fill it out as you go. Our essential question is, how does a scatter plot describe the relationship between two data sets? And by the end of the video, you will be able to use a scatter plot to describe the relationship between two data sets. A positive association on a graph. Typically, you're going to see the points on the graph, and they're all going to be trended in a general positive direction from left to right. The trend line, or line of best fit, has a positive slope. With a negative association, points are in a general direction, negative direction from left to right. They're going downhill. Our trend line, or line of best fit, has a negative slope. And when there's no general association, the points are scattered about with no general direction. Sketch a trend line if possible. So that would be kind of a line of best fit that kind of fits the data in the middle. Is it positive, negative, or no association from left to right? This one is traveling in a positive direction. From the left to the right, we're going uphill. Remember from our previous lessons, if we imagine that biker, is he going uphill or downhill? I'm not the greatest at drawing that, but if you remember the bike, it's traveling uphill on this one. Is there a line we can draw? Not really. This is a no association. A trend line has been added to the graph of the data. Write the equation of the trend line in slope-intercept form. We're going to have to pull back some skills that we've had before. So use the 2 points that are on the trend line that they give you, 8,3,119 and 8,328. Those are our 2 points. We can find the slope by using our formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we subtract our y values on top, subtract our x values on the bottom. We're left with 209 over 5, and we can round that to 41.8. Point slope form. Remember, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We have the slope. We just found it. We can pick either point to plug in. I'm choosing to plug in 3 and 119. So the 3 goes in for x, and the 119 goes in for y. And now we can distribute to get rid of parentheses. Add our 119 to both sides, and we're left with y equals 41.8x minus 6.4. A scatter plot has been made for the data, and a trend line has been added. Write the equation of the trend line in slope-intercept form. We're going to repeat the same process. We need to use those 2 points to come up with the slope. We're doing our y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we subtract our y's on top. So 5 minus 10 means I have to do 580 minus 320 on the bottom. Leaves me with negative 5 divided by 260, which is negative 0.02. Point slope form. We know our slope, negative 0.02. We need to pick either point, 320.10 or 585. 580, 5. I'm choosing 580, 5, so the 5 goes in for the y value. The 580 goes in for the x value. We distribute to get rid of parentheses. Add 5 to get the y by itself. And our equation is y equals negative 0.02x plus 16.6. Use the equation to find the y value that corresponds to an x value of 800. So this is our equation we just solved for. Y equals negative 0.02x plus 16.6. To find that x value of or y value with an x value of 800, I'm going to replace the x with 800, and we can calculate that out to be 0.4. What this tells us, our x values here is our internet speed, and our time to download, 170 gigabytes per minute, is down here. So when the internet speed is 800 megabytes per second, the time to download 170 gigabytes per minute is 0.4.